Budgies are tiny parrots with big personalities. Did you know they can see ultraviolet light, which helps them spot ripe food and potential mates? Plus, their chatterboxes some can learn over 1,700 words. These colorful little birds are super social, super smart and can even sleep with one eye open to stay alert. Perfect pets or just fascinating creatures to admire. But wait, there's more. Budgies are also prolific breeders and can lay 4 to 6 eggs at a time. In the wild, they live in massive flocks, sometimes thousands strong, and they're native to Australia. Oh, in their lifespan, up to 15 years with proper care.